Bits and pieces, bits and pieces. We only remember bits and pieces. Like the time we went to Bricktown and stole a guitar. We were strumming real hard and broke a string. Oh shit.
Keep going.
And remember the time we went to the Swiss festival, went to the fun house and stole some blankets.
What were we thinking?
Beats me. And remember the time we stayed up till 4 a.m. painting a picture for one of our friends.
Friend?
Used to be. Bits and pieces, bits and pieces. We only remember bits and pieces. And remember the time I pulled a Roger, stormed out of the bar and forgot to pay my tab.
Remember the time I yelled, "Stop walking"? I thought, oh, well, I don't give a shit, and went back inside.
And remember the time we called Greg's mom? She wasn't very nice, but that's not the end. She asked me for my name, and I said, Veronica. I said, Veronica, yo mama. Bits and pieces, bits and pieces.